Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Charge the Crusher AnC2 above 20% and power them off. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to confirm off. You need a clean state. Next, press and hold power plus volume down for 5 seconds to enter pairing reset. This clears active Bluetooth links. Once done, make sure you have a spare paperclip ready if a recessed reset pin is required. Keep the ear cups folded flat so buttons are accessible, and you can continue without interruptions. Now perform the factory reset. Press and hold power and volume down together for about 12 seconds. You'll see the LED change. Watch for a rapid flash, then a pause. That pattern tells you the internal settings are clearing. Continue to hold until the LED goes solid or briefly turns off. That confirms completion. Once it completes, wait 10 seconds before releasing to avoid corrupting the reset. Then power on normally to start the initial pairing sequence and verify functions. Power the headphones on and immediately enable Bluetooth on your source device. Select Crusher AnC2 from the list to pair. Once connected, test ANC and bass slider response plus the mic in a call. This verifies settings restored. If you still see glitches, repeat the factory reset once more and make sure the Skullcandy app firmware is up to date. Updating often fixes persistent bugs. If problems continue, try a different phone to rule out device-specific Bluetooth conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.